Today we have a special tour dedicated to those people who like water activities such as boating and fishing. This new construction home is going to give you 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, around 1,700 square feet of living space right next to a boat dock, a lighthouse, and Lake Conroe, all for under $430,000. Let's begin. Now, before we go inside, I want to show you how close Lake Conroe and the lighthouse is. There you can already see it, only a walking distance away. And you will have no left neighbors at this moment. You're gonna have a double wide driveway and these bushes leading into the front of the house. And your exterior is gonna be made out of wood board and this stone here under the foyer. So here you can already see you have cathedral ceilings up above. And as we step inside through this very tall oak door, you're gonna have vinyl plank all throughout this living area. And right to the right of the house, you're gonna have a half bath for your guests. It's gonna have glass paned windows, a small sink, and your toilet. And walking forward, you're gonna have a coat closet, pretty spacious coat closet here underneath the stairs. Moving forward, again, you will have your 2-car garage here with a sprinkler system, and you actually have some extra space here. Let's take a look above where you're gonna have this very elegant chandelier in the center of your staircase up to the 2nd floor. And if we keep moving forward, I really love this living area slash kitchen space with vaulted ceilings up top. And here is your kitchen. It's gonna have a quartz waterfall island with this beautiful shiplap design in the bottom underneath where you have bar stool space. And take a look at these light fixtures. It's gonna be pendant lighting with this kind of glowing orb. I think that's super cool. I've never seen it before. And here in the kitchen, like I mentioned, the neutral tone is gonna be white and this weathered down brown with some mullion cabinets in some of the kitchen. You will have a fridge, a built-in 5-burner stove with your oven and microwave. And for your countertops, you're gonna have quartz, and it actually goes up into the backsplash where you are gonna have underlighting. And you may be wondering where your outlets is because they're nowhere to be found in your backsplash. They're actually under the cabinets, kind of giving it that more modern, clean look for the kitchen. And just look how good they use this space. They actually have small cabinets that you can use in all of this space. Take a look at this corner. Not many builders are gonna be able to do that. And you actually have a dedicated garbage cabinet here, which holds 2 garbage cans and kind of your little pantry here off to the side. So that is gonna be it for your kitchen. Super nice. And personally, I really think it gives it that cozy feel with that color palette. And you will have a gas log fireplace with this stone veneer. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the primary, which is gonna be the only bedroom located in the 1st floor, kind of secluded from all the noise. Here we are with another vaulted ceiling and cathedral design, no carpet. And you're actually gonna have these 2 massive picture windows here with views to your back neighbors. And you can actually see Lake Conroe from here. There we go. Now moving along, into the primary bathroom, you will have 3 mirrors, so 1 for each sink and then 1 for the built-in vanity for the lady to get ready right there in the middle. And at the end, you will see a walk-in closet with plenty of space. Now for the cabinets, you will have this kind of similar boldish brown than those ones in the kitchen with gold finishes, and these will be soft closed as seen there. If we turn around, next to the closet is gonna be the primary bathroom, or the private bathroom, I'm sorry. And then here off to this side is gonna be the walk-in shower, super luxurious with this matte stone finish here that goes all the way up to the ceiling. You actually have some natural light and that gold accents continue here in the shower. Now, to finish it off in the 1st floor, you will have your laundry room here. Right next to the staircase, you're gonna have washer and dryer connections, some hanging space, and some shelving there. And then to finish it off, you do have another coat closet there. And this is gonna be the view from upstairs looking down. Here, you're gonna find 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom. So walking up the stairs, the first thing you're gonna see is gonna be this full bath, which is gonna have a dual sinks, perfect for those 2 bathrooms that are gonna be sharing it. Weathered down brown cabinets underneath with a tub shower combo here, natural light and toilet. This is gonna be the 2nd total bedroom with, again, black finishes on these glass pane windows. And here off to the side is gonna be its closet. Pretty generous size. Another small coat closet here. And pretty spacious secondary bedroom. This is gonna be the third one total with access to your attic, a large double door walk-in closet there, and tons of natural light coming in through these picture windows. Take a look at that. You can kind of see Lake Conroe from multiple angles here, from there and here, also from this window right there. Now let's go ahead and check out the backyard, which is really not too big, but here in this community, you do have some amenities like pickleball courts, basketball courts, playgrounds, and obviously access to Lake Conroe. Now here we are behind these doors. Behind in the back of the house, you are gonna have extra space here, I guess, for gardening tools if you're into that. Maybe weed whackers, stuff like that you can store in here. And this is gonna be your backyard. It's kind of gonna be shared with this neighbor, so it would basically end here. It isn't fenced, so it kind of makes it feel a bit bigger. Now this very cute home is listed for under $430,000, which I think is a great price for what you're getting. Over 1,700 square feet of living space, plus the amenities this community offers, plus being close to Lake Conroe. No carpet and super intentional finishes by this builder. If you would like to schedule a private tour because this home fits what you're looking for, my contact information is gonna be right here, as well as down in the description. All you have to do is shoot me a text or a call and we'll get the process started for you guys. It would be a pleasure working with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.